And I'm going to turn on a recording to the cloud. So we have a little back. Please don't give out any confidential information like addresses or phone numbers while the recording is on. All right, today's date is today's date is October 1st, 2021. In Carson County, Texas, I call cause number 10214 in the interest of Corbin Ray Asensio. What says the state?
Your Honor, Teresa DePoister, Assistant Attorney General for the Office of the Attorney General, Child Support Division. I've had an opportunity to visit with the parties. We are ready to make an announcement to the court and have the agreement affirmed on the record by the parties.
All right. Present by audio and video is Stephanie Jameson. Are you ready, Jameson?
Yes.
Also present by audio is Jamie Rios. Are you ready, Mr. Rios?
Yes.
All right. If you would both listen carefully, please go ahead, Ms. DePois.
Okay. Your Honor, this is a straight modification. That's the pleading before the court. So we've done a lot of calculations and made a determination regarding health insurance. So the health insurance, Your Honor, will be carried by Ms. Jameson's husband, so through another source. And Mr. Rios will reimburse Ms. Jameson through the wage withholding order and through the child support disbursement unit. So the cost of the reimbursement for the medical support for just the child before the court is $148.68 a month. And that will be a reimbursement order beginning November 1st. And the dental insurance for just the child is $16.25 a month, again, to begin being reimbursed November 1st. And based on the calculations, then including that information regarding health insurance, the new child support will be $665 a month. That obligation change again being November 1st, Your Honor, and that's the full agreement of the parties.
All right. And he said starting November 1st?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I take it there is not a judgment against Mr. Rios. Is he current by any chance?
Your Honor, I did not look at, he was definitely current when we filed it, and that's why we did not file a modification, but I can look at what it is currently right now.
Mr. Rios?
Yes.
I want you to know that I appreciate the fact that you are current or close to being current on your child support. That is an accomplishment that in my court, I very seldom see, and I'm glad to see that. There will be some time, possibly a lag time before your wage withholding takes effect. Your employer has 2 weeks to put the new amounts into effect after they get the order. So sometimes people get behind a little bit during that time period, but that should be minimal. Let me ask you, Ms. Jameson, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes,
And do you think it's in Corbin's best interest?
I do.
All right. Mr. Rios, is
Yes.
that the agreement you're making today, sir?
Yes.
And you think it's in Corbin's best interest?
Yes.
All right. Then I'm approving the agreement. Ms. Oyster will prepare an order for my signature. I will sign off on it. There is a 3-day period, 3 business days starting now, during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Messer, and he would start over and make his. But if nobody does that, orders will start to become final, and you should get a signed copy of it within about 2 weeks by either email or regular mail. If you don't get one, call AG's office in Amarillo and just remind them you won. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm going to waive court costs in this matter since both these parties were able to resolve this without court intervention.
Great, Your Honor.
Thank you both
Thank you.
for your
Thank you.
efforts today, and good luck to you and your families.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I neglected to inform them while we were in the breakout room, but I would encourage both of you to keep a close eye on everything, your account and everything at texasattorneygeneral.gov in the child support division. And we do have a chat feature there now that is very helpful if you don't find what you're looking for.
So you
Appreciate
can
it.
actually chat with a live person on the other end
Yes.
Yeah, I use that.
Super.
So yes, I
That,
appreciate it.
that
Yes.
will be helpful
Right.
to all the parties, I'm sure. All right. Thank you all. You are free to go on your business, take care of business, your other business today. Good luck to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.